You pay for renter's insurance every month, but when something gets stolen, will they actually pay? You're not alone in wondering if your renter's insurance will come through when you need it most. Many of us have been in the situation where we've had something stolen, and we're left wondering if our insurance will cover it. If you're a renter, you're probably paying around $15 to $30 per month for renter's insurance. But do you know what's actually covered? In this video, we'll break down the truth about renter's insurance and theft, and help you understand what you can expect from your insurance provider. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or a family, this information can help you protect your belongings and avoid financial loss. What does renter's insurance typically cover? Renter's insurance usually covers your personal belongings, such as your laptop, phone, and jewelry, up to a certain amount, typically around $10,000 to $20,000. For example, if your laptop is stolen and it's worth $1,500, your insurance might cover the full amount. However, if you have a high-value item, such as a $5,000 engagement ring, you might need to purchase additional coverage. How much will renter's insurance pay out for theft? The amount of money you'll get from your renter's insurance for theft depends on the type of policy you have and the value of the items stolen. For instance, if you have a policy with a $1,000 deductible and your stolen items are worth $3,000, you'll get $2,000 from your insurance provider. However, if your deductible is $500 and your stolen items are worth $1,200, you'll get $700. What if I have expensive items? If you have high-value items, such as fine art, collectibles, or expensive jewelry, you might need to purchase additional coverage. This is usually called a rider or endorsement. For example, if you have a $10,000 watch, you might need to pay an extra $50 to $100 per year to ensure it's fully covered. It's essential to review your policy and make sure you have the right coverage for your valuable items. How do I make a claim for theft? If you've been a victim of theft, you should contact your insurance provider as soon as possible. You'll typically need to provide a police report, proof of ownership, and an estimate of the value of the stolen items. Your insurance provider will then review your claim and determine how much you'll get. For instance, if you have a $2,000 laptop stolen, you might need to provide the receipt, the serial number, and a police report to support your claim. Tips for preventing theft and reducing your premium. To reduce your risk of theft and lower your insurance premium, consider investing in a home security system, which can cost around $100 to $300 per year. You can also take steps to secure your belongings, such as keeping valuables in a safe or using a lockbox. Additionally, some insurance providers offer discounts for renters who have a good credit score or who have been claim-free for a certain period. Conclusion: renter's insurance can provide valuable protection against theft, but it's essential to understand what's covered and what's not. By reviewing your policy, purchasing additional coverage for high-value items, and taking steps to prevent theft, you can ensure you're adequately protected. Remember, renter's insurance is an investment in your financial security, and it's worth taking the time to understand how it works. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos about insurance and personal finance. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content.